Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited. I have been waiting for so long for what I'm about to get, and I am so truly thankful. So I've never done an unboxing before, and I don't feel prepared at all. And like, I literally just got done recording a different video, so I don't know when I'm going to release this one necessarily, but and I've got like a crazy cat who's trying to come out the door. But I have been waiting for this package to arrive for like, I ordered it like 3.5, 4 months ago, and then there were some shipping delays for materials for the maker to be able to finish making my Volva Stav. And it's here. So I'm going to switch camera angles and show you that it has arrived, and then start doing this unboxing because I am so excited. Okay, so here it is, and it has arrived on my front porch. Here's my front porch. Okay, so here it is, and I was wondering what the package was actually gonna look like, and it looks like a staff. So like, you can totally tell that there's some kind of long stick like thing in here. So I'm gonna take it inside. Aw, a little cricket has decided to be a part of this unboxing. Hello, Cricket. As well as Dash. Say hi, Dash. Okay, after much process of getting set up, and like having to get my hair arranged and find supplies and get my camera, and I had to mic because I'm too far away from the camera for it to pick up what was gonna be just like a quick unboxing. Still will be pretty quick because I've never done this before. It turned into more of a production. Anyway, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I don't know how many of these I'll end up doing because honestly, I'm really downsizing my stuff. Like, I'm getting rid of a lot of personal things. I'm just not buying into as much of the stuff and the materialism of craft and that kind of thing. But this is a really special piece. It's made by Svarog Hammer in the Ukraine, and it is a Volva staff. So we're gonna be talking about what that is, and in another piece, but I want to be able to show you, and I brought all kinds of tools, trusty kitchen scissors, to be able to cut through all this bubble wrap. It's very well wrapped, because it had to come to Louisville, Kentucky from the Ukraine, and one of the flip folding blade knives. What do you call these things? Box cutters. Box cutter. So we'll see if I can do this without injuring myself. See, I want to be very gentle in getting the end off of this. It's made out of cast iron. Well, not cast iron, but it's made out of iron that has been, it's made out of forged iron. And so it's very sturdy, but there's a spindle piece on one end and then some dangly pieces on the other end, and I don't want to inadvertently damage the anything that might be welded or anything that might be connected a bit more gently. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for several months at this point, while it was getting made. Alex, the blacksmith at Svarog Hammer, makes these custom, and so this piece was made for me specifically. I can feel the energy coming off of it. I'm very, very excited. see. Oh, it was wrapped. There's like cardboard to give it on this pointy end. Let's see, I'll cut up the middle. Cut around the shipping label and the customs declaration in case I need that for anything. I don't know that I would, but just in case I need to have access to that documentation for some reason. I wonder what you put on such a thing. Just stuff. So as I'm cutting, I'm revealing the basket, the weave of the distaff here at the top, because that's essentially what this kind of staff is. It is for collecting the threads, weaving the threads, spinning the threads of magic, of sorcery. And made out of iron so that one can then burn away in the fire that would be burning nearby. The dark energies that one is trying to cast away in cases where negative magics are happening, where illness or disease, loss has been found. Okay, and at the bottom end, wrapped up together. Ooh. Oh, 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 it has such nice weight to it. Okay, let me put this packaging aside. At the bottom end, can you hear the jingles? Oh my gosh. Wrapped up together at the bottom end. There are these, sorry, words are difficult right now. That would be that's a challenging part of the unboxing, right? So there are 2 troll crosses, also made of iron, that have also been forged, and sort of a pyramidal shape. That is also here, separating the 2. And I'm gonna get closer here in a second. I'll get a close-up of it so that you can see all of the scroll work, all of the work that's done all along, all of the pieces of this, but it's just so textured and so lovely. And then as an additional gift, there is an additional troll cross that has been included to wear. So I can wear it as a necklace or as a, wherever I want. Make a charm from it, incorporated in my magic. My cat is here looking. We saw him at the door. I'm surprised he's not right behind. So let me rearrange things and I'll show you. So here it is from top to bottom. And let me really get in close on that scroll work. You can see even down to the fine points. How lovely. So in a future video, I'm going to be talking about this type of Volva Stav, this Volva staff, and how it relates to the work of the witch. In fact, you guys, let's plan on talking about how the Volva's stav or staff is one of the grandmothers of the witches staying next week. So I will see you back here on Monday at noon for another episode, and I hope that you have found this unboxing delightful. I know that it has been a happy birthday present to me. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you back here on Monday. Bye, guys.